Finding the perfect cookware to handle all your culinary needs can be a challenge, but this Avacraft 7-quart pasta pot with strainer insert makes it easy. This all-in-one set is designed to simplify meal prep while elevating your cooking experience. Whether you're cooking pasta, steaming vegetables, or preparing a hearty soup, this set is perfect for various cooking methods. In this detailed review, we'll cover all the features and benefits that make the Avacraft 7-quart pasta pot stand out from the crowd. From its premium stainless steel construction to the convenient strainer insert, this cooking set is a game changer for any kitchen. Key features of the Avacraft 7-quart pasta pot with strainer insert. Number 1. Premium 1810 stainless steel construction. The Avacraft 7-quart pasta pot is crafted from high-quality 1810 stainless steel, ensuring that it is both durable and rust-resistant. Stainless steel is known for its resilience, and this pot is no exception. It's built to last, won't corrode, and will maintain its appearance even after years of use. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. Durable and rust-resistant, 1810 stainless steel ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Perfect for all cooking methods. The sturdy construction makes it ideal for stovetop cooking and even oven use. Number 2. Five-Ply Heat Distribution and Retention. One of the standout features of this pot is its 5-ply bottom construction, which incorporates both pure aluminum and stainless steel. This multi-layer design ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention, preventing hot spots and ensuring your food cooks more efficiently. Whether you're boiling pasta or simmering a rich soup, you can count on consistent cooking results every time. Uniform heat distribution. No more worrying about uneven cooking. Better heat retention. Cooks food more effectively and saves time. Improved cooking efficiency. The multi-ply bottom design allows for quicker and more consistent cooking. Number 3. Versatile cooking with the steamer basket and strainer insert. This cookware set comes with both a pasta pot insert and a steamer basket, allowing you to cook and steam a wide range of foods. The pasta pot insert allows you to lift and drain pasta, spaghetti, noodles, or proteins without the need for a colander. The steamer basket is perfect for steaming vegetables, fish, meat, or even dumplings and pot stickers. Whether you're steaming a healthy meal or draining cooked pasta, this set has you covered. Number 4. Shatterproof glass lid with steam vent. The Avacraft pasta pot comes with a shatterproof glass lid that allows you to monitor your food while it's cooking without having to lift the lid and release heat. The steam vent helps to prevent pressure buildup, keeping your food from boiling over. Plus, the silicone-coated handles ensure a safe, comfortable grip even when the pot is hot. Number 5. Ergonomic Stay Cool handles. The handles on this pot are designed with safety and comfort in mind. The ergonomic Stay Cool handles are coated with silicone, which provides a firm grip while keeping the handles cool to the touch. Whether you're transferring a pot of soup from the stove to the counter or draining pasta from the pot, you can feel confident that you won't burn your hands. Number 6. Compatibility with all cooktops. The Avacraft 7-quart pasta pot is compatible with induction cooktops, as well as gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops. No matter what type of cooktop you use, this pot will work seamlessly. This versatility makes it a great addition to any kitchen, no matter your cooking setup. Number 7. Guaranteed satisfaction. At Avacraft, customer satisfaction is a top priority. This product comes with a lifetime guarantee to ensure you are completely happy with your purchase. Avacraft is a woman-owned small business, and they are committed to delivering high-quality products and excellent customer service. Why you should buy the Avacraft 7-quart pasta pot with strainer insert. This Avacraft 7-quart pasta pot with strainer insert is a must-have for any home cook or professional chef. With its premium stainless steel construction, 5-ply heat distribution, and versatile cooking capabilities, this set is perfect for cooking everything from pasta and soups to steamed vegetables and seafood. Plus, with its shatterproof glass lid, stay cool handles, and lifetime guarantee, you can rest assured that this pot will be a durable and reliable part of your kitchen for years to come. If you're looking for a multifunctional kitchen essential that can do it all, boil, steam, and cook, Look no further than the Avacraft 7-quart pasta pot with strainer insert. It's the perfect addition to your cookware collection. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.